Mommy channel. For today's vlog, we're gonna celebrate Easter Sunday. Yay! Happy Easter!
Jesus is risen. Happy Easter!
Happy Easter, everyone. Thanks for the blessing.
Thank you sa foods.
Nasa na ang
Happy
ito?
Easter!
Nasa na ito ang bunting?
Ito yung de-decoration na mamaya. Sige, lagay muna natin ito sa ref.
Ito ngayon. Hotel.
Humot?
Hotel. Ito pa lang yung pinakakasunod.
Wow!
Sabi na ako ng sabi ko after lunch na. Kasi everybody's hungry. Happy Easter, everyone.
Tada! Pang-decorate sa cake. Happy Easter.
Yay! Kaya tayo! Happy Easter, Mommy, Daddy, Kuya, and MJ!
Happy Easter, MJ, Kuya, and Daddy.
Happy Easter.
Look, Mommy, we have a colorful egg. My pink, green, blue, magenta, yellow, and purple.
And then after we eat, we will...
Oh, man!
Decorate the cake. Okay, I'm gonna slice it.
Lemon time.
Huwag marami ito na. Tama na.
Kuya, walang sa wasted.
Thank you. Yan. Huwag na basagin yung iba. Ganyan naman na. No.
Wow, thank you for the New Year. It's a small pig, MJ. You want to try? Huh? Want to try?
Wala ba mga ulod-ulod na? Ano ganyan?
Ano siya unod day? Bakit mo eh. Baka na siya. Lato na siya.
Ton? Subukan mo nga mga tumas.
Pa?
Sige.
Okay.
Ngayon konti. Kumain ka.
Nagiging raspa.
Matumat na ako.
Ewan mo.
Okay.
Okay, then look.
Ako.
One, two,
Bakit mo sisin?
ha?
Wala mo nagsisin sa history.
Sing?
Sabi mo sin.
Hindi, sabi ko, hi guys.
Ah.
Ito so much. I really want to see them. Hi
Hi guys, tayo guys. This is yummy.
Thanks, man.
Oh, what is this? Yummy. Ang sarap naman cake. Napaka-sweet. Ang sarap naman cake.
Happy Easter po.
Happy Easter.
Thank you po sa food. Okay,
Ang sarap naman cake.
Tuloy nyo mo na sin. Mag-picture tayo.
bye.
Baba ka sin.
Bye, Ma.
Bye ba din ikaw?
Happy Easter po.
Happy Easter po. Bye-bye. Wait, I forgot to put some cream on top.
Ito na, binabalata na nila.
Bye-bye.
Happy Easter.
Bye.
Happy Easter.
Bye.
Simot mo sin. Simot na?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Nana Joy. And Isa.
Enjoy.
Bye, Nana Joy.
Bye, kiss.
Bye, Nana. Bye. Nana Joy, sarap naman cake.
Ma, masarap din cake.
Look, girl.
Happy Easter po.
Bye-bye. Bye, Nana Joy.
Tayo din.
Nice. Yeah. Get your cake here. Come, sir, give it to daddy. Please get this and give it to daddy. Come on.
Ang sarap naman.
The flavor.
Vanilla.
Oh,
Cream.
carrot cake.
Carrot
Oh, give it
cake.
to daddy.
Thank you. Salamat naman.
What can it be?
Okay, you say
Are there Easter eggs?
Happy Easter.
Or sweets?
Ano yung fish na nilagay?
MJ, you say Happy Easter. Go.
Happy Easter! Surprise! Ano for surprise mo na, Mommy?
Okay, before you pull, you say Happy Easter.
I'm not pulling anymore.
Go, it's on
Ulit yan,
already.
Jay.
Oh no, I cannot. I'm disappointed.
You can't swim anymore.
Okay, go na.
I'm feeling frustrated.
Be happy, it's Easter.
Frustrated.
I'll face here, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. I can't.
Good, harder.
It's hard. This is hard.
Pull mo lang,
Ang
pull.
sakit naman kamay
masakit. Good.
Paul.
Go.
We cannot.
Go.
I'm disappointed.
Wala chicken. Go.
What's this?
You will just
I don't
surprise.
remember.
Pause, pause.
What the? Okay, only adults.
Pang kids yan, pang
Only
kids.
adults.
Kuya.
No more na po.
Okay, Kuya and MJ, both of you.
Oh,
No,
dalawa kayo.
Kuya, no, daddy only.
That's for kids. You have
Kuya,
to do.
daddy only.
You have to pull it.
Oh my! I'm feeling frustrated. Stop pulling.
Go na,
Do
go.
it na.
You cannot pull.
You can.
No, cannot pull.
Close your eyes then pull.
We cannot pull.
Did you remember the super maada, no? The Mickey Mouse?
Oh no!
Before? Happy Easter!
What can it be?
Kailangan talaga ng malakas ko.
What's inside? What's inside?
Chocolate!
Meron diyang egg na may chocolate na nakakain.
Mommy, we forgot the purple one.
Meron mo.
Go. More. Oh, catch. No kicking. Marco, just pick. Meron pa?
Look at me.
Just kick. Just kick. Just pick. Okay, go.
Para maka-overcome sila na yun.
Not there.
Okay, pick it, Nicole.
Get more eggs. And see what's inside the eggs.
Get on the egg.
Okay, what's inside the egg?
Chocolate!
Wow, yummy
Oh, another
chocolate.
chocolate.
I wanna eat this.
Later na.
I wanna
More.
taste. I wanna taste. I wanna taste.
I see the other egg in there.
I don't know what's the taste.
Okay, go
Wala.
taste it.
Ayan. Matatapos yan eh.
Sarap?
Tiktik mo na yan. Ayan, di lang. Tatapos yan yan.
Sarap?
Sabi mo yan.
Sarap? Yummy. Happy Easter.
Mmm.
Say thank you, Ninang Riza, for the piñata.
Oh, why does it look pink purple? Mmm.
Pick your egg. Okay, one egg.
Hey, what happened to
doon.
this egg?
Malapit
Mommy,
na.
where's the last piece of an egg?
Mamaya we'll find it.
Where?
Ito daw ito muna.
No.
Di ba ano sila pag mawala yung missing pieces?
This is not the combination. I said this.
Where's the partner?
Mmm, this
Ayan,
is
partner ko.
chocolate.
Then put it the partner.
This is
Are you
yummy.
done? And then I'm gonna put this one.
Oh no.
It's all done.
No, I don't want.
Okay, everything is in the pieces. There's no missing anymore. Okay, that's auto.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh na, tama na.
Did you complete all the eggs?
Yes.
Okay.
We're done celebrating Easter Sunday. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.
Bye bye.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter. God bless.
Wala. Pudot pa na kayo.